Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be helping you out with just 5 easy and simple tips on how to smell good all day long. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So guys, I have changed my clothes and I'll be tying my hair because obviously the priorities. So guys, the first step is oral hygiene. Now oral hygiene is so important step in smelling good because obviously who wants to be around the people who have bad breath. Now after brushing my teeth, what I do is flossing. Now flossing is something that people are unaware of, and it helps you to remove the food particles which is sometimes left over after brushing, and it causes bad breath. Next, I do mouthwash. It helps you to freshen your breath, it leaves your mouth clean, and it obviously helps you to soothe your dry mouth. And the last, it helps you to reduce the gum disease as well. Now moving on to the skincare. Now, you guys must be thinking how skincare helps in smelling good. So, the first step is exfoliation. Now, exfoliation helps you to remove dead skin, sweat, and bacteria, which obviously contributes to unpleasant smell. Yes, you heard me right. And bonus tip is always use microfiber towel because it is very gentle on skin and it promotes skin health. Now, moving on to facial shaving. Now, facial shaving helps in promoting your hygiene, and it also helps in removing the trapped debris that can cause odor and helps to prevent the build-up bacteria and sweat. Now, moving on to the king of smelling good, and that is none other than body care. So, guys, taking a shower and cleaning your body is the basic and the most important step to smell good. And let's get into it. First thing first is scrubbing your body. Now scrub your body at least once a week. It helps you to remove your dead skin, unclogs your pores, which obviously prevents the bad odor. And guys, do not forget your underarm because it is the most important area. After scrubbing your body, just wash it off, and then do not mix your body towel as well as a face towel. Now, the bonus tip is always layer your fragrances. First thing is use deodorant according to your skin type. If you have dry, oily, or combination skin, I either use Nivea or Plum Body Loving Hawaii Rumba. Here I'm using Plum Body Loving Hawaii Rumba. So now the trick is always apply body oil before body lotion. So for the body oil, I'm using Plum Body Loving Vanilla Vibes and topping it off with the Vaseline body lotion because my plum one was finished. And trust me guys, it helps you to smell divine all day long. Try to use the same fragrances and then see the magic. And now moving on to the body mist, I'm using Plum Hawaii Rumba, and trust me, this is too good in the affordable range. And what I do is I apply body mist on the targeted areas, and then the trick is I top it off with bit of body lotion on those highlighted areas, and trust me, you will love it. Do try out and let me know in the comment section. Last but not the least, always apply lip balm or lip gloss because why not? We want to promote feminine hygiene. So yeah guys, that was it for the video. I hope you like it. If you so, please share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye.